this is Aaron from Corcoran. Today at Savoy Park we're looking at the P line. This one happens to be on the second floor. Upon entry, you have a closet for storage and a large double closet for coats and storage. Off to the left, you have a nice and sunny living room, large picture window, through wall AC. This window is facing west. You also have a through wall to the kitchen and an overhang stone counter that can accommodate 2 stools. Looking into the kitchen, which I'll show you in a second. Lots of counter space and storage space. Stainless steel appliances. Here's the living room. All right, into the kitchen. The space here can accommodate a small cafe table. But again, lots of counter space, 2 windows, and 4 stainless steel appliances. You have a bathroom, standard. And into the bedroom, which can accommodate a queen size bed and furniture. Large west window, double closet, and you even have a closet here off to the entrance or exit of the bedroom. Through wall AC unit. Queen size bedroom, 2 closets. All right, this is our P line at Savoy Park. All our units are rent stabilized, no broker fee, utilities included, elevators and laundry in the building. All right, thanks for looking.